So now on this mountain where we are is such a pure atmosphere. We have to make a very genuine promise that this Havan that is going on here is the power of the Nabhi, which is the Swaha, which completely consumes all that is evil, digests it, and uses whatever is good for nourishment. In the same way, we have to promise that we will be consuming all that is evil in a way to destroy it, and we will digest and nourish ourselves with the divine knowledge. And let this Havan also completely use its power of Swaha for Switzerland and for the whole world. As you know, the Devi is called as Shailaputri, meaning born on the peak. And the tip of the Sahasrara is also called as Shikhara, means the Shaila, means the, what do you call, the epitome of the peak. So we are here today to celebrate on top of the Sahasrara of Switzerland. But that's only possible when we have crossed the brain. And brain crossing is only possible when you have the knowledge about Sahaja Yoga. You must know about Sahaja Yoga. People know how to raise the Kundalini.
Totalement l'enseignement de Sahaja Yoga. Savoir comment éveiller et lever la Kundalini.
You have to read, you have to understand it in every aspect of Sahaja Yoga. So this joy will be complete. Because when you read about it, you will be surprised that you already know all this. And that you will be surprised that your mind will discover many more things for discretion, for talking to people, how to bring them round to the right path. So one has to know about it, the knowledge of Sahaja Yoga, the inwards, so that you can speak to people. There are many who have got Advent with them just like a Bible, but nobody has, so many have not read it. There is no Rock of Gibraltar anymore there. It's in the back of it, that you need not read. That's a fact, what can I do?
Un Sahaja Yogi n'a plus besoin de lire, particulièrement les monuments indigestes.
He didn't translate me properly.
I give the meaning.